Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a shake effect. Let's get started. Start by opening the Effects panel. Under the Effects section, choose Fusion Composition and drag it onto your timeline. Next, head over to the Fusion page, drag in a text node and connect it to the Media Out node. Now, go to the Inspector panel and type the text you want. I'll also change the font and increase the size. Next, go to the Layout tab. Under Center X and Y, right-click on Center, hover over Modify With, and select Shake. Next, click on the Modifiers tab at the top. Here, we can adjust the movement of the text. Now, I'll tweak the minimum and maximum values so the text shakes but stays roughly in the center of the screen. Now, I'll move the smoothness slider all the way to the left to make the shake more noticeable. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.